Alright, welcome back. So now that we have our layout fully functioning, the next thing we want to work on is the functionalities, okay? Because an application is meant to perform a certain function, right? And the function is meant to perform is generate password. So we're going to create a function. To create a function and password, remember, and we use the def keyword. Okay, so with password generator. That's going to be the name of our function, password generator, and we're going to create a variable that we will display in our password display entry. Okay, and it's going to be user pass. So first of all, we need to convert user pass into a global variable because functions created in the variables created in a function are local variables. Okay, so we say user pass dot set. So we set it to an empty string first. Then we'll say password, which is what is going to be displayed. Okay, our password is equals to an empty string. Okay, so length, which is the length of our password that we're going to select, is equals to an integer. Okay, and the integer of the user entry. Okay, so whatever entry we choose, okay, we are going to get it. Whatever length we choose, we are going to get it. Okay, and work on it. So the first thing is this password is going to consist of lowercase, uppercase, and alphanumerics. Okay, lowercase, uppercase, and alphanumerics. So we'll simply say that lowercase is equals to, so we'll write all the alphabets. Alright, so those are the alphabets for the lowercase. Then in uppercase, for uppercase, we are not going to repeat the alphabets. We'll just say lowercase dot upper. Okay, so we'll just convert what we've written in lowercase to an uppercase. Okay, lowercase dot upper. Then we are going to add it to lowercase. Okay, so alright, then the next one is our alphanum. So the highest level is going to be alphanumeric. Alphanum is equals to F. Then we give write down all numbers 0 to 9. Alright, then we also add the lowercase and the uppercase. Okay, and to add the lowercase and the uppercase. This is fine. We want to now create a condition for each selection the user makes. Okay, so if the person selects low strength, what should happen? If the person selects medium strength, if the user selects high strength. Okay, so in order to do that, we'll say if combo.get, that is whatever decision you make in a combo, drop down is equals to low strength for I in range. So I want to create a loop that's going to loop through all our lowercase alphabets, okay, and select numbers at random. So for I in range of 0 to the length that we choose, okay, we are going to say password is equals to password plus. Now I want to make use of random alphabets, okay, so I want to import another module called random. So I want to import a function called choice in the random module. I'll say from random import choice. Okay, it's choice we are going to use. So I'll simply say plus choice, and what choice is going to, where we are going to make the choice is from our lowercase variable. Okay, from lowercase variable, where we are making our choices. Then we will now set the user pass. Okay, user pass. We will set it to whatever password we get it now. So set password. Alright. So what we are simply doing is we'll get whatever selection the user made in the combo box, then we iterate through, we run a loop, okay, that will iterate through the lowercase variable and select alphabets at random, okay, using the choice. So it will choose different alphabets at random. Okay, so we have our if statement, and we are going to make use of this for the high strength and the medium strength. I'm going to do a few things here. So instead of using if, we will say elif. Remember chaining conditions together. Okay, elif, and this will be high strength. This will be high strength. This will be low. This will be medium now. This will be medium strength. Okay. And this is going to select from uppercase, while this will select from alpha Alright, so we have our functionalities up and running. So let's test it out and see. So it's currently in low strength, and I'll ask for the length of the password. If I say 10 and I say generate password, alright, okay, now we have not given a command to our button yet. So right now our button does not do anything. So let's quickly give it a command. So we're going to set that the command is equals to our function. Okay, so command is equals to our function, and our function is password generator. Okay, command is equals to the function. So let's save this and let's run it. So if I put password length of 10, alright, you see that it generates a random lowercase 10 alphabets. Okay, then because it is in the low strength, okay, I increase the strength to medium, for example, and I say generate password. You see now the password consists of uppercase and lowercase. Okay, and if I add high strength and I run it. Okay, this one does not have alpha, this one does not have a numeral. So you see this password now has a numeral. Okay, so the more we keep clicking, we generate different passwords. Okay, so this is very interesting, very helpful. I told you you can create your own passwords, you can store them, you can write them out, you can put them in a file, okay, and save your password. You can have different passwords. You should have different passwords for all your accounts. Okay, so I've shown you a way that you can generate passwords in Engr that are going to be very difficult to have. Thank you for staying with us to the end. Okay, we really appreciate it. So this presentation came to you from Loctech. Contact us through Facebook at Loctech. You can contact us through Instagram at Loctech Institute. Our website is www.loctech.ng, loctechng.com. Okay, www.loctechng.com. Alright, thank you very much, and till we meet again.